Sorry, you can only send messages to mutual contacts at the moment. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve if Telegram says, sorry, you can only send messages to mutual contacts at the moment. Now, when you open up Telegram, you might be trying to send messages, but Telegram says, sorry, you can only send to mutual contacts. Now, this type of error will appear if you've been reported. This means that you can only send messages to mutual contacts, which are people who have already chatted with you or saved your number on their phone. And this can happen if a non-mutual contact sends you a message first and then reports it spam you, and there is a limit to the number of reports an account can receive. You may receive this restriction, and once that limit is reached, you will have this error. And most of the times what happens is this could be a temporary thing because it says at the moment, which means only for the time being, which means maybe 2 or 3 days you're not able to send messages. So you have to wait until Telegram removes this restriction from you, and there's really nothing that you can do about it because it's from the Telegram side and because you have been reported for doing some spammy activities. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.